Social media marketing for affiliates. Leveraging social media platforms effectively can significantly boost your affiliate business. Here are some tips for social media marketing as an affiliate. Know your audience. Understand your target audience's preferences, interests, and demographics. This knowledge will help you tailor your content and promotions to resonate with your audience on social media. Choose the right platforms. Focus your efforts on social media platforms where your target audience is most active. For example, if you're targeting a younger demographic, platforms like Instagram and TikTok may be more suitable, while LinkedIn may be better for a professional audience. Create compelling content. Develop engaging and valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience. Use a mix of formats such as images, videos, infographics, and stories to keep your content fresh and engaging. Share affiliate links strategically. Integrate affiliate links naturally within your social media content. Avoid being overly promotional or sleazy. Instead, focus on providing helpful recommendations and solutions to your audience's problems. Provide value first. Focus on building trust and credibility with your audience by providing value upfront. Share informative posts, useful tips, behind-the-scenes content, or exclusive offers that genuinely benefit your followers. Engage with your audience. Foster meaningful interactions with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and mentions promptly. Encourage conversation, ask questions, and solicit feedback to increase engagement and build relationships. Utilize visuals and multimedia. Use high-quality visuals and multimedia content to capture attention and convey your message effectively. Experiment with eye-catching graphics, videos, GIFs, and memes to stand out in the social media feed. Run contests and giveaways. Host contests, giveaways, or challenges to incentivize engagement and attract new followers. Partner with brands or influencers to co-sponsor giveaways and reach a broader audience. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers or micro-influencers within your niche to amplify your reach and credibility. Collaborate on sponsored content, shout-outs, or affiliate promotions to leverage their influence and audience. Track and analyze performance. Monitor key metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, CTR, conversion rates, and revenue generated from affiliate links. Use social media analytics tools to gain insights into what content resonates with your audience and optimize your strategies accordingly. By implementing these tips, you can leverage social media effectively to grow your affiliate business, increase brand awareness, and drive conversions. Remember to stay authentic, provide value, and engage with your audience consistently to build a loyal following and achieve long-term success.